Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and today I'm going to show you how to underline your text or just to format your text in Trello web application. So the first thing that I will need you to do now is to open your uh, website, your Trello website, and then just connect with your Trello account. And if you don't already have one, just create a new one with an email and sign up, or you can just connect with your Google, Facebook, or Apple accounts. So after you succeed and connecting to your workspace in Trello, you will need to go to your boards so we can start formatting our text here. So basically, you will need just to go to boards and search for the board that you want to format. And then you will have your board view here. And to format some text, you will need to go to your card and then add some description if you want, and you are going to go for view edits here. So basically you can have some formattings to your text here, and just to know, there is no underlined formatting here in Trello. So all the formatting that you can do to your text are either bold in text, or italic. So either it will be like that, or you can have like a strike through uh, formatting. And of course you can have some format text styles like the heading, or it will be like a regular text like that, normal text. You can have other things. You can add images, links, have it divider, for example, like that. We are going to add divider. You can have many formatting that you can do to your text, but unfortunately there is no formatting or no underline format in Trello web application. So basically, to all you have is having it as a code snippets, or like just a code style. You are going to have it just a strike through like this, or italic and bold, but there is no underline text here in Trello. So basically, those are the ways to format your text in Trello web application. Thank you for watching and see you next time.